Hello everyone and welcome once again. Now today we're going to be focusing on make.com automation. So we're going to we're going to have a comprehensive review of the make.com automation. Summarize the pros, the cons, and the user insight. So let's go. The first, let's start with the pros. It is very pro number one, powerful and versatile. You see, make.com excels at handling complex tasks and offers a wide range of features for automation, workflow creation, and integration with various services. Second pro is that it is easy to use. You see, it has a user-friendly interface with a drag and drop functionality, making it accessible for users of all technical backgrounds. The third advantage or pro is that it is cost effective. You see, make.com offers a transparent pricing structure with plans suitable for individuals, small businesses, and large enterprises. They also have free plans available for limited use cases. Then the next advantage of Pro is that it has extensive integrations. Make.com boasts of a vast library of integrations, allowing connections with numerous applications and services. Then the fifth one is data management. You see, this platform, Make.com, provides data storage, data mapping, and data transformation capabilities. So it's very good for data management. Next, scalability. You see, make.com scales to accommodate growing businesses and their automation needs. So these are the advantages or the pros of make.com. Now let us look at the flip side. So the cons. One, troubleshooting challenges. You see, make.com can be very tricky to troubleshoot in cases of errors, and that potentially causes delays. Next, performance. You see, some users have reported occasional slowness in processing automations, just some. Then we also have complexity for advanced workflows. You see, while it is user-friendly, beginner-friendly, when you want to build intricate workflows, it might require a steeper learning curve, especially for those unfamiliar with API integrations. So those are the cons. Let's look at users' insights. Let's people of users what they have to say. Now, the users have praised make.com's intuitive interface, its extensive functionality, and its value for money. They've also talked about the vast library of pre-built automation templates that streamlines the creation process. They're good with that. They also talk about some users actually have recommended onboarding for heavy users, so equip them with engineering best practices for managing complex automations. So overall, make.com is a powerful and versatile automation tool suitable for businesses of all sizes and individuals seeking to streamline tasks and workflows. Its ease of use, affordability, and scalability makes it a very strong contender in the automation software market. Now, here are some additional points to consider when you're deciding if make.com is right for you. 1. Check your technical expertise. If you need to automation, make.com might have a steeper learning curve compared to simpler tools. Also, check the complexity of your automations. For basic tasks, make.com works well, but advanced workflows might require more effort. Then also check your budget. Make.com offers free plans and paid plans with varying capabilities, so choose a plan that meets your needs. I hope this review helps you make an informed decision. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.